Today I wanted to talk to you about hard wax.
I have several videos using this wax, and I've had a lot of questions regarding hard wax and soft wax. So the reason why I prefer using hard wax, and I use a combination of both, but I have been loving hard wax more than ever, especially for sensitive areas like the face, is that hard wax only adheres to the hair and not the skin. So that reduces skin irritation and discomfort for your client. Soft wax, on the other hand, sticks to both hair and skin, which can lead to more irritation, especially on sensitive skin. Another great reason is that we do not need any strips to use this wax, which eliminates more cost for your business. The wax will harden and it can be pulled off directly, which is more convenient and less messy, honestly. And if you have a coarse hair, hard wax is amazing as it removes that thick hair and it encapsulates the hair, allowing for a clean removal. So if you're thinking of starting using hard wax, do it.